Hello, my name is Hendrawan Herman. I come from electrical engineering. So what I want to talk about is from our from the top brand, Maspion. Maspion is one of the famous brand when we choose about electronic product, electronic households, and the others. So what comes into my mind is what is the best iron I can get on the internet? The answer is the best iron is EX-1010. So it was one of the Maspion product and it was the best choice that I can get. The first is what component of the iron EX-1010 made. So there are three main components of iron is it was the plate, the handle, and the control. The control is mean the thermostat. It can control the temperature from the electricity. And don't forget a wires because we need a wire to get the electricity too. The plate is separate to three different components. So it was the sole plate, the ballast plate, and the heat plate. After we know all about this, the components, so next step is how we design it, how we design the iron. So how it built. The first, before we build it, we must know how it works. It works from the electricity and heat the coils, heat the heating coils, heat the heat plate of the iron. It was so this was the schema, the schematic of the iron coach. As we talk about at the first page, iron have three main of component. It was the plate and the handle and the control. And sure, we need a wire so we can get the electricity. And the plate it come from it separate to three plate. There are a sole plate, and a heaping plate. Ensure the ballast. And we build it like the sole is down at the bottom, and then the heating plate, and then the heating plate, and then it's come before the ballast is the thermostat. After the thermostat is the ballast. After it, the handle, and inside the handle that come a wire to electricity. Oh, there's a knob for the thermostat. So what makes my iron is different from the other iron. So the Maspion EX-1010 come from the cheap prices. It's come from 88,000 rupees. And it it was easy to use more than the any other iron because it's very the heat plate is very safe. It's not sticky at all. So when we ironing the clothes, our clothes, it would when we usually the other iron is what little sticky, but the EX-1010 where it was not sticky at all. Uh, Usually, we get the not sticky one is come from the higher price, but it can bring the EX-1010 can bring us the cheap price. It was very unexpected and it was very good for. and it comes from the low watt, but it can heat up. It comes for 350 watt out for electricity. So that was the difference. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.